Hello, and welcome to another training video from XMPRO. Today we'll be looking at how to use page layers. Page layers is another, sometimes simpler way to modify elements on your page. The page layers can be found to the right of the tabs on your command bar. The usual way of modifying the elements on the page is to hover over the element you want to change, and then clicking on it or dragging it around. This stops working so well when you have elements on top of other elements, and you can no longer find a way to click on them properly. For example, if I want to make the vertical banner move over to the right, if I try to move it with dragging, it will leave elements I couldn't see behind. This is what the page layers is for. In the page layers, you can see the hierarchy of every element on the page. You can expand and collapse different sections to see into elements on the hierarchy. This will not change the page in any way. The number on the right shows the number of children elements inside of this element. For example, this box has 3 elements inside of it. 1, 2, 3. You can click on a specific element, and it will select the element within the page. You can drag an element around by clicking and dragging the handle on the right, and it will rearrange itself in the page. This is how I would get this banner over to the right. I would drag over the box element and drag it to the other side. You can rename each element. This will not affect the runtime view of the page, but it will change the text that appears when you hover over an element. And finally, you can press the I on the left to hide and show elements. Be careful, as this will hide the elements on the runtime view as well. This has been how to use the page layers.